And today we're going to be filling out our volume notes for pyramids and cones. And let's get started. So we're going to start with a pyramid. Remember that with pyramids and cones, there's only one base, not two bases. And so for our volume formulas, they're going to look a little bit different than prisms and cylinders. So for a pyramid, our volume is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. Okay, so I have this visual here just to kind of emphasize that the area of the base is a separate calculation that we do. So here for this pyramid, we would find this area first, and then we would take the area of that base and multiply it by the height of it up here, and then multiply it by 1/3. Okay, so that's for a pyramid. For a cone, it's following the same format. Volume equals 1/3 area of the base, but for a circle, the area of the base is equal to pi r squared. And so in our formula, we take that pi r squared and we plug it into here. So pi r squared times the height. Okay, I'm using parentheses because we have to be careful here with the squared. When we put this into decimals, make sure that this is being squared, not the height or the 1/3. So we're going to close that off. All right. So let's do a first example for a rectangular pyramid. There's a typo here. It says rectangular prism. It should say pyramid. So let's take that off. Pyramid. It's a rectangular pyramid. That means that my base is a rectangle. Okay. So let's write the formula for this pyramid is 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. So I'm going to do my area of my base here first. So the area of the base is length times width for a rectangle. Remember, that means I'm finding this area right here first. So length times width, or base times height, or width times height. Remember, those have different names. So length times width, the length times width. So 16 times 12. Those are my dimensions here. Length. 16 times 12 is 192. Okay, and I'm going to bring that here. 192 times the height. So how far up does this pyramid go? How tall is it? 7 meters. 7. Multiply that all together and we get 448. Okay. Cubed. Alrighty. So there is a pyramid. Oh my goodness, Ms. Hernandez will never make a perfect rectangle. Or will I? Nope. Oh my goodness. Okay, just circle your answer, box it. We're gonna do a cone now. Don't give up. Okay, we're going to do this cone right here. So I'm going to write down the formula. Let's just copy it. Copy. Paste. Anything with a circle base is my favorite because it's very, very nice and straightforward. I take the base here, which is my circle at the bottom. I do need a radius though, and that is not a radius, that's a diameter. Remember, if it gives you a length that it goes all the way across the circle, that's not your radius, that's your diameter. So we need to find half of this. Half of 11 is 5.5. Okay, and then my height is here, 7.2. All right, so we can fill in our formula now. Pi times my radius, which is 5.5 squared, times my height, which is 7.2. Okay. So I plugged in numbers here and here, just two numbers. Everything else is just copying the formula and writing it down accurately. Okay? So you would go to Desmos. I'll show you Desmos. And we're going to type that up. So clear 1/3. Oops. 1/3 times, nope, times pi times 5.5 squared, close it, times 7.2. And we're going to round to the hundreds. So that's going to be 288.08. Okay, and that's centimeters cubed. Oh my god. No. Anyway, all right, we're going to do some more. So this is your pyramids and cones notes. Go ahead and make sure you have those filled in, and then have a great day. Bye.